You can adjust your second-row quad seats for comfort or remove them to create cargo space. To adjust a second-row seat, pull up on the handle. Then slide the seat forward or back. When you have the seat where you want it, simply release the handle. Then, using body pressure, move forward and back to make sure the seat adjusters have latched. To fold the seat, lift the recliner lever to the full upward position and push the seat back forward until it rests on the seat cushion. To remove a quad seat, look for the release strap on the front near the floor. Pull the release strap and the rear latches will disengage. Move the assembly toward the rear of the vehicle, lifting it up and out. To reinstall the seat, align the seat with the notch positions on the floor. Tilt the seat toward the rear to lock the seat back into its original position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.